Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to turn on and off Wi-Fi calling on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Now to do that, first of all, just make sure that you have inserted your SIM card into your smartphone. If you have not entered your SIM card in your smartphone, then this feature will not show in the settings. Now after you enter your SIM card into your smartphone, then open Settings and tap on Connections. And from here, you will find the option of Wi-Fi calling. Now to enable Wi-Fi calling, just enable this toggle and you will enable Wi-Fi calling on your Samsung phone. Now to disable it, just disable this toggle and you will disable Wi-Fi calling. Now if you have already inserted your SIM card in your smartphone but you cannot find the Wi-Fi calling option in the settings, then this is most likely happening because your SIM card does not support the Wi-Fi calling feature. And this is how you can turn on and off Wi-Fi calling on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.